Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Tuesday, April 24th of 2012. Caroline Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Wall Street ended the day mixed here today, awaiting Apple's earnings, and Apple beats expectations, up over $40 after market. Alright, that's huge. So we are back above $600 on Apple. That's pretty exciting. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look at their Q's chart and let's see what happened here today. Alright, remember that low doji at support that we talked about yesterday, and we were looking for it to be confirmed, and what needed to happen was that we were waiting for that high to be broken, the high of yesterday, which was the 65.18, and then we wanted to see today closing above the high, but which never happened. So that was a little fake out. So we are back in the game, making another low here on the Qs today, and we are closing the day lower. Okay, but we are still back at this area of support down here where you see that black trend line. So what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow is, again, that black trend line, which is a pretty significant area of support, and also the low of today, which is at 64.45, and then also that 65.10 mark, which is acting as a pretty significant area of resistance, as well as the high of today, 65.23. Okay, because if we do get a bounce tomorrow, we'll first of all have to break through the high of today and through the 65.10 mark first, and then through the high of today, 65.23, and then close the day above it, because from then we would have some more potential to the upside. But we are approaching, we'll be approaching a really major area of resistance on our way up. Not only that black trend line coming down here, which is an area of resistance, but also all three moving averages coming together. Okay, so that is a significant point, an area for you to pay close attention to. All right, so that's what you need to do. And then also watch the low of today, 64.45, and then that lower black trend line, because if we do ever break below it, we could continue lower to the next area of support down here at 63.50. But whatever you do see happening on this chart needs to be confirmed. Okay, so that's what you have to, that's why you have to look at the MACD to look for confirmation. Whatever you see forming on the chart, it has to be confirmed with the MACD. So you better pay close attention to that low guy, because it's going to help you a lot. And then also, we've been trading on a pretty significant volume here lately, above the average. We're having a little decrease in volume here on the markets today, actually on the Qs, but it's still considered high volume. So pay close attention to those low volume bars as well, and look for spikes in volume. All right, so that's all that I have for you for today. Hope this is of any help to you. Safe trading to all of you out there, and I will see you again tomorrow.